Welcome back to Get to Know Animals. Now we're gonna learn about the superhero powers. So let's see what are those powers inspired by. Here's a spinner wheel as it used to be. And the first one is Antman. And his power is inspired by the ant. This is how ant looks like. Let's see who's going second. Spiderman. And his power is inspired by the spider. And this is how spiders look like. Yeah, the third one is a cat woman. So her power is inspired by a cat. And this is how cat looks like. Let's see the last two characters. Who's going first? Batman, and his power is inspired by bat. This is how bat looks like. Yeah, the last one should probably be the Black Panthers. And his power is inspired by the Panthers. And this is how Panthers looks like. If that's all for today, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy it, and see you in the next video.